Our goal is to provide compassionate care, helps you get relief for whatever your ailment is, and we just hope you have a positive experience when you're with us.
At DMOS, when we're talking about doing a total joint replacement, that's talking about taking one of the larger joints in the body, whether it's a shoulder, a hip, or a knee, that has too much wear and tear, where cleaning up that joint isn't really an option. And so instead we're talking about replacing that damaged part with implants.
The implants that we're putting into patients, whether it's a hip or a knee replacement, we're always on that cutting edge in terms of technology. The technology we use for diagnosing problems, whether it's an X-ray machine, an MRI scanner, a CT scanner, really you're not going to find a group of surgeons more up-to-date in technology and what's currently out there.
In medicine and in orthopedics specifically, I think joint replacement is one of those great things that has the ability to really improve people's quality of life. Being able to get them back to enjoying their life and doing the things they want to do, I think that's one of the most rewarding parts.
Just because you come to a clinic visit doesn't mean that we're necessarily going to be discussing surgery and what that looks like. A lot of times my clinic visits are focused on what we can do to treat pain other than surgery.
I think people have a lot of anxieties and fears, some founded, some not, in terms of what's involved with a joint replacement or shoulder replacement in particular. I think big one is pain, right? None of us love pain, so they're afraid it's gonna hurt. If you have bad arthritis, you already hurt. You're putting up with a fair amount of pain and disability already.
I tell my patients a big benefit of seeing your provider is exactly that you can have options earlier. If you wait too long, sometimes your arthritis or your ailment that you're dealing with progresses and it makes the surgery more difficult, but it also complicates your post-operative recovery. So waiting isn't always the best answer. If you're looking for a total joint replacement, Des Moines Orthopedic Surgeons, or DMOS, is certainly the place to look. Not only because we have fellowship-trained qualified surgeons, but I just think the compassionate care you'll get at DMOS is unparalleled to anybody else.
Everybody at DMOS takes patient care very seriously. We want the patient to have the best experience from getting your appointment to seeing us all the way up through surgery if needed, rehab. We take the patient experience very seriously. We want you to have the best result possible.